Hello and welcome to the Financial Institution, the channel where we talk about all things personal finance. Today, we're going to talk about how to save money and build wealth, even if you're on a tight budget. Whether you're just starting out in your career or facing unexpected financial challenges, these tips and strategies will help you make the most of your money. Budgeting. The first step to saving money and building wealth is creating a budget. A budget is simply a plan for how you will spend your money. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. Then create a budget that reflects your priorities and goals. Make sure to include a category for savings, even if it's a small amount each month. Stick to your budget as closely as possible and adjust it as needed. Frugal living. To make your budget work, you may need to cut expenses. Frugal living doesn't mean living like a pauper. It means being mindful of your spending and finding ways to save without sacrificing your quality of life. Some tips for frugal living include cooking at home instead of eating out, shopping for deals and discounts, using public transportation instead of owning a car, buying used instead of new, canceling subscriptions and memberships you don't use. Investing. Investing is a powerful way to build wealth, but you don't need a lot of money to get started. You can invest in low-cost index funds, which track the performance of a group of stocks and offer diversification and low fees. You can also consider investing in your employer's 401k plan, which offers tax advantages and sometimes matching contributions. Just remember to keep your investments diversified and aligned with your risk tolerance and goals. Debt management. If you have debt, it's important to manage it effectively. Make a plan to pay off high-interest debt first, such as credit card debt, and consider consolidating your debt with a low-interest personal loan. Avoid taking on new debt unless it's absolutely necessary, and focus on paying off your existing debt as quickly as possible. Building wealth. Finally, to build wealth, you need to save and invest consistently over time. Automate your savings and investments so that you don't have to think about it. Set up automatic contributions to your savings account, 401k, or IRA each month. Reinvest your dividends and other investment income to compound your returns over time. And don't forget to celebrate your milestones along the way, whether it's paying off a debt or reaching a savings goal. That's it for today's video on how to save money and build wealth on a tight budget. Remember, budgeting, frugal living, investing, debt management, and consistent savings are the keys to building wealth over time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more personal finance tips and advice.